Hey there, viewers! 10 reasons why you should add turmeric tea to your diet. Ever had turmeric tea? Definitely not the most pleasant drink, right? Well, that may be true, but what do you expect from herbal tea? And like most herbal teas with their strong and bitter flavor, turmeric tea comes with nutritious ingredients that can amplify your overall health. Turmeric is a bright yellow-orange spice that's been used extensively for thousands of years, thanks to its antioxidant, medicinal, and anti-inflammatory properties. Today, turmeric tea is a popular form of consuming turmeric. If you're still unconvinced on why you should drink turmeric tea, allow us to enlighten you on its wonders. Want to reduce arthritis symptoms? Drink turmeric tea. Want to prevent and treat cancer? Drink turmeric tea. Are you interested now? Keep watching. Number 1. Your immune system gets a boost. Curcumin is a compound found in turmeric. It's a polyphenol with powerful antioxidant properties. As a result, these antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting the body from the effects of oxidative stress. In other words, adding turmeric tea into your diet can help keep your immune cells healthy so they can do their job properly. In fact, the good effects of curcumin extends beyond warding off the common cold, which will be covered in a little while. What's more, turmeric is loaded with anti-inflammatory properties, which are useful when you're sick since your body is inflamed during this time. Real quick, hit that like button and let's get back into it. Number 2, your skin becomes healthier. Again, turmeric boasts anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. These characteristics won't just provide glow and luster to the skin, but also other benefits, such as preventing breakouts, reducing acne scarring, and even brightening dark circles. On top of that, curcumin aids in better wound healing by decreasing inflammation and oxidation. It even lowers the response of the body to cutaneous wounds, resulting in faster wound healing. Some studies also suggest that drinking turmeric tea regularly can help with contact dermatitis, eczema, and psoriasis. Number 3, it provides anti-inflammatory benefits. Inflammation is natural. In fact, it's incredibly important as it helps fight foreign invaders and plays a role in repairing damage in the body. Although acute, short-term inflammation is good. It should be a concern if it becomes chronic and starts attacking your body's own tissues. Presently, scientists believe that chronic low-level inflammation can influence some health conditions and diseases. These include cancer, heart disease, metabolic syndrome, Alzheimer's disease, and various degenerative conditions. Hence, it's important to eat or drink anything that can help fight chronic inflammation to help prevent and treat these conditions. Number 4, your metabolic health improves. The role of curcumin in lowering inflammation and oxidative stress has far more effects in terms of overall metabolic health. Based on studies, these special properties in curcumin have a positive impact on blood pressure and blood sugar, and may even encourage weight loss and prevent obesity. Furthermore, drinking turmeric tea can also help prevent metabolic syndrome. It's a prevalent risk factor linked with obesity. Fat accumulation around the stomach causes metabolic changes that lead to metabolic syndrome. Fortunately, turmeric tea helps reduce the risk of cholesterol, as well as lower the triglyceride levels and blood sugar levels that act against the condition. Number 5, it alleviates arthritis symptoms. One of the top applications of turmeric tea is as a treatment for arthritis pain. Arthritis is a common problem in many countries. Most types of arthritis involve inflammation in the joints. Turmeric tea is a good anti-inflammatory drink which can help reduce pain brought by arthritis. In fact, in a study conducted on people with rheumatoid arthritis, curcumin was even more effective than an anti-inflammatory drug. Similarly, a study found that curcumin was effective in reducing pain in patients with osteoarthritis. Several other studies have also examined the effects of curcumin on arthritis and noted improvements in different symptoms. Number 6, it assists in managing diabetes. Did you know that traditional medicines use turmeric for diabetes? All thanks to turmeric's anti-inflammatory effects, it makes a great treatment for inflammatory conditions such as diabetes. Today, many people drink turmeric tea to manage their blood sugar levels. Numerous studies among animal and human models have also pointed out the potential anti-diabetes properties of turmeric tea. In addition, curcumin may help prevent type 2 diabetes by improving insulin resistance, reducing high cholesterol, and lowering high blood sugar. Bottom line, taking turmeric tea may help reduce blood sugar to more manageable levels in some people. But more research in humans is needed to further back up this effect. Number 7, it aids in managing irritable bowel syndrome. Another traditional medicinal use of turmeric is as a treatment for various digestive conditions, which makes sense since turmeric has always been held in high regard for its digestive healing properties. Several studies have found that turmeric tea may help reduce the pain associated with IBS and improve the quality of life of those people with this condition thanks to curcumin. Moreover, a study in rats revealed that curcumin helps decrease the time it took for the food to empty from the stomach to the small intestine, which is known as gastric emptying. Number 8, it helps treat and prevent Alzheimer's disease. Another impressive benefit of turmeric tea is its effects on Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive neurodegenerative disorder that leads to confusion and memory loss. Sadly, there are no effective treatments for Alzheimer's, and this is where turmeric tea comes in. Studies have shown that curcumin, the active ingredient in the spice turmeric, can help reduce the likelihood of several neurodegenerative conditions. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers are said to reduce inflammation, cellular damage, and plaques that come with these conditions. Also, curcumin may be able to slow down or prevent some age-related protein changes linked to neurodegeneration. Number 9, it relieves pain, sharpens the mind, and lifts mood. Apparently, turmeric tea not just benefits the sick, but also the healthy people. Research involving people without a pre-existing medical condition suggests this powerful substance is effective at alleviating muscle soreness. What's more, turmeric tea has strong anti-inflammatory properties, meaning it helps ease inflammation and swelling in individuals with arthritis. Additionally, at least one study has shown that the same anti-inflammatory powers of curcumin might positively impact mood, attention, and working memory in the general population. But you know what's even more impressive? It turns out turmeric can help with depression. Recent studies have linked depression with chronic inflammation, reporting that these two issues exacerbate one another. Thus, antioxidant-rich foods and drinks like turmeric tea can help relieve symptoms of depression by fighting chronic inflammation. Number 10, it helps treat and prevent cancer. Cancer is a fatal disease that's characterized by uncontrolled cell growth. Curcumin has been studied as a beneficial herb in cancer treatment, as it has been revealed to affect cancer growth and development. According to studies, turmeric tea can contribute to the death of cancerous cells, reduce the spread of cancer, and reduce the growth of new blood vessels and tumors. Some studies suggested that curcumin might work against lung, colon, breast, and prostate cancers. Meanwhile, others suggested that the active ingredient might help chemotherapy work better. How to prepare a turmeric tea? Option 1. Obviously, turmeric tea isn't your typical beverage. You can easily buy a pre-packaged box of turmeric tea, but where's the fun in that? Plus, it's even easier to brew a mug of this healthy stuff in your own home. For your DIY turmeric tea, follow these steps. Number 1. Boil 4 cups of water. Number 2. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground, powdered, or grated turmeric. Number 3. Let the mixture simmer for around 10 minutes. Number 4. Strain the tea into a container and give it 5 minutes to cool down. You may also add other ingredients to enhance the taste or help with its absorption. Common additives are whole milk, cream, coconut milk, almond milk, or 1 tablespoon of coconut oil for better absorption, since curcumin requires healthy fats to dissolve properly, honey for a natural sweetener, and to give the drink more antimicrobial properties, lemon, ginger, or lime for added antimicrobial and antioxidant properties and for improved taste. Option 2. If you prefer using a turmeric tea bag, here's how. Number 1. Place a turmeric tea bag in a teacup. Number 2. Bring water to a boil and let it sit for 1 minute to slightly reduce the temperature. Take note of the ideal brewing temperature, which is 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 3. Pour 8 ounces of hot water over the turmeric tea bag. Number 4. Simmer the tea for 5 to 10 minutes. Number 5. Either strain the tea into another container for a smoother tea or drink as it is. Like option 1, you can add other ingredients such as milk, honey, or lemon juice as desired. Some also prefer adding a dash of black pepper. Do you like turmeric tea? If not, then are you ready to add them to your diet? Comment your thoughts about turmeric tea and its benefits below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.